Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're getting a something went wrong error on Google Gemini, don't worry, here's how to fix it in less than 2 minutes. First method is clear cache and data. For that, go to phone settings, scroll down and find this option called apps or apps management. Here, tap on the search icon at the top right and search Gemini or Google app. Scroll down and tap storage and tap clear cache, then clear data if needed. Restart the app and see if it's working now. Second method is check internet connection. Make sure you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Turn on airplane mode, then turn it off. Third method is to update or reinstall the app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Gemini or Google app. Locate the application and tap update if available or uninstall and reinstall the app if needed. You can also try signing out and signing back in with your Google account. If it's still not working, try again later. It could be a server issue. And yes, that's it. That's how you fix something went wrong error on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.